All right, we're back in Plainfield, Hadley Road, Get Go gas station. We did a negative review on this one not too long ago, and we sent it up the food chain to the Giant Eagle corporate. I got a call back from them, and they had said that they're gonna try and get it fixed. So we're back on the scene trying to see if it's gonna work this time. We used to get a consistent error, so we will see if it's gonna work. And it already error occurred. Code 6. Same thing we get every time. This one has never worked the entire time I've owned this vehicle. So once again, it's not working. The car is 100% off. There's nothing running in there that would cause that to trip. So once again, Hadley Road, thumbs down.